How can I recover my WhatsApp account after deletion?
Hello there. Today, we're going to tackle an issue that many WhatsApp users face: how to recover a WhatsApp account after deletion. We'll take you through the process step by step, and remember, if you've deleted your account, time is of the essence. Let's get started.
Can you really recover a deleted WhatsApp account?
Before we get into the recovery process, it's important to understand the limitations. If you have permanently deleted your WhatsApp account, unfortunately, you cannot recover it. WhatsApp doesn't keep backups of deleted accounts. The action is irreversible, and all your data associated with your account will be permanently deleted. However, if you've only uninstalled the app or deleted your account temporarily, your recovery chances are good.
How to recover WhatsApp after uninstalling?
If you've just uninstalled the app, the solution is quite straightforward. 1. Reinstall WhatsApp from your device's application store. 2. Open the app and follow the prompts to verify your phone number. Make sure it's the same one you used before. 3. If a backup was found, WhatsApp will ask if you want to restore your chat history and media from Google Drive for Android or iCloud for iOS. 4. Tap Restore and then Next. Your chats will be displayed once initialization is complete. 5. Set your profile info, name, photo, about, as you wish, then tap Next. You're back. Remember, you must have backed up your chats before uninstalling for this process to work.
How to recover temporarily deleted WhatsApp account?
If you temporarily deleted your account, there are a few more steps to follow. 1. Install WhatsApp again and verify your phone number, as in the previous section. 2. A prompt will appear asking if you want to recover your account. Confirm this. 3. You'll receive an SMS with a 6-digit verification code. Enter this to verify your identity. 4. If a backup was found, choose to restore your chat history and media as explained before. 5. Set your profile and you're back in. Note, if you don't receive the SMS, there will be an option to call you with the code. We hope this video guide has been helpful in your journey to recover your WhatsApp account. Remember, prevention is the best cure. Always ensure to have backups of your chat history and think twice before permanently deleting your account. Stay safe and happy messaging.